Hey guys, this is Trevor the Locksmith, and today I've got a customer that needs me to remove and then reinstall a new Clopay garage door lock. So I'll get right into the video and show you how it's done. And the lock looks just like this. It says Clopay on it, and it's a style where you can put in a key to unlock, and then you twist and turn to lift the garage open. So if you have this style, my tutorial will basically run you through the entire process of removing and then installing a new one. Okay, so now we are on the back side of the garage, and this is what it looks like on the back. You've got this inside handle in case you're inside the garage and need to open it, and those are attached to two wires, one going to the right, one going to the left. And that basically is what unlocks the garage when you pull it. So what we need to do is remove this piece in order to access the screws that undo the Clopay lock on the outside. So the most difficult part of this process is getting this clip off. I've already loosened mine, but when you start out, it's going to be extremely tight on there, and it's very hard to get a grip on it. So what I found to be most helpful is this little screwdriver, little flathead, very small, in order to get underneath the bracket, the little clip, and just pry up on these sections here that attach these little X sections, and you just pry up like so, try and get some movement, and you do that basically around the edges on each side. Pry, and eventually you'll get it just a little bit looser, loose enough to just pull right off. And then this thing will come right off once you do that. The next step, after you've gotten the handle off, is just to take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the two screws attaching the Clopay lock. Lastly, there's nothing holding in the lock, so you just want to pull it out from the outside. So in order to install your new lock, what you want to do is basically the reverse process of removing the old one. So we'll start with our Clopay lock like this. The Clopay symbol needs to be facing forward, legible, so that you can read it. And this is what it's going to look like in the locked position. So you want to put it in that way. And then we can move to the reverse side of the door. So what we need next is to install our bracket with the two screws. All right, now that we've got the bracket on with the two screws, what we're gonna wanna do is just put the handle on. And it's a little more complex than it seems like just putting it on, because what you need to do is keep these wires in tension while you put it on. So you're gonna wanna turn it like this, and then you can put it onto the spindle, like so. And then you can just test it out and make sure it's actually locking and unlocking. All right, so we're good to go. And then we just want to put the little bracket, the little clip on. In order to get this little clip back on, we just slide it with the clip. The points are going to want to be towards you. So put it on with the points towards you. And then what we're going to need to do in order to tighten it is take that mini screwdriver we got to loosen it and take it off of there, and push it onto the points, right? And then you're just going to want to take a hammer and lightly tap the back of the screwdriver in order to push those points back into tension onto the spindle and get it real nice and tight. And you can test this after it's real nice and tight just by moving this guy. And if it doesn't move at all, you're good to go and you're all done. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helped those of you trying to remove and reinstall a new Clopay garage door lock. And there will be more videos to come. So if you liked the video, like it, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel to see more of these videos, more of these how-tos. And yeah, comment, let me know what you guys think. It's a new channel, so looking for some positivity from you guys. See if you like the channel and what you'd like to see in the future.